Hello guys, if you want to request a trade in Madden 27 Superstar mode, you need to unlock the option first because it isn't available from the beginning. Start by going to the Character tab from the top menu, then open Sphere of Influence. Here, you'll find the different people who can help you advance your Superstar career, and the one you need to focus on is your agent. Select your agent and you'll be able to see their current influence level along with the different rewards and abilities you can unlock. To check the requirements for increasing that influence, press Square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to bring up your agent quest. These quests give you specific objectives to complete, and finishing them is how you build up your agent influence. So work through the available quests, complete their objectives, and continue earning influence as you progress through your career. As your influence increases, your agent will reach higher levels and more career related options will unlock. The main level you need to reach is agent level 4. Once your agent reaches level 4, you'll unlock the demand a trade option. But there's one more thing you need to know. Unlocking the option doesn't mean you can use it whenever you want. Demand a trade is only available while the trade window is open. So if the trade window isn't active yet, you'll have to wait. When the trade window becomes available, head back to your agent options, choose demand a trade, and you can then request to be moved to another team. So if you are trying to force a trade in Madden 27 Superstar mode, you basically need to work your way through the agent progression first. Go to Character, open Sphere of Influence, choose your agent, and use Square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to view the agent quest. Complete those quests, earn enough influence to reach agent level 4, and that will unlock demand a trade. Then once the trade window is active, go back to your agent, select demand a trade, and you'll finally be able to request a trade to another team. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.